Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Asana task from Stackby automatically. So let's take an example that you own a digital marketing business and you are using Stackby for your business management activities. Now you want that whenever you enter a new record or a new activity in your Stackby table, automatically a new Asana task should be created and it should be assigned to a specific team member. For this, we need to create a connection between Stackby and Asana so that whenever a new record or a new activity is added in your Stackby table, automatically a new Asana task is created. So in this particular integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is Stackby, which is a spreadsheet program with database functionalities. So in place of Stackby, we can even use Google Sheets, Airtable, Grist or any other spreadsheet program. And the second application we are using is Asana, which is a task management software. So in place of Asana, we can even use Trello, ClickUp, Mr. Task, Jira or any other task management and project management software. So how we are going to create an integration between Stackby and Asana, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Stackby table and this is my Asana project named Pabbly Connect. So now I want that whenever I enter the new details over here, a new record is created. Automatically a new task should be created here in my Asana project. So I'm just going to add the details. I'm just going to add a new task. I'm adding the task name as Analytics. I'm adding the description over here, measure search engine optimization results. And here I'm just going to add the due date. Let us give it as 19th of February 2022. So we have entered the details over here. We have created a record. Now let us check our Asana task. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can see a new task named Analytics. Here we can find the assignee name as Ran Glasgow. Here we can find the tag as Pabbly Connect and here we can find the due date. So now here you might be wondering that I just entered the details over here in my Stackby table and automatically a new Asana task is created in my project over here. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Stackby and Asana, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part of using this software application is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Stackby and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the record that you have created in your table. And using those details of the record, automatically a new Asana task will be created. And in this way, we will be learning that how we can create an integration between Stackby and Asana using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as create Asana task from Stackby automatically. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create the Asana task from Stackby. So open this trigger window And here in the choose application, let us find Stackby. In the trigger event, we have to select new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log in to your Stackby account. After login, click on your profile. Move to account, then scroll down to the API key. So I'll just take you to my Stackby account. So this is my Stackby dashboard. Here we'll be coming to the profile and click on account. Now when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key, simply click on this button, regenerate API key, or else we are going to simply copy this key from here and we will be pasting the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. And click on save. Okay, now the Stackby account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here, as we are connected, we can find all the workspaces that we have created in our Stackby account. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Stackby account once again. Here I have created several workspaces. So the workspace which we are going to use in this particular integration is digital marketing team. Okay, and here in this particular workspace, I have created a stack name Asana task. I'm just going to open it. Here I have created a table, that is table 1, where I have taken the fields or the columns for the task name, task description and the due date. Okay, and here I have taken the due date, that is for YY, MM and DD format. Okay, that is the year, month and date format. So let us select the stack and the table name over here in Pabbly Connect. So first let us select the workspace. So the workspace name was digital marketing team. Here we have to select the stack name. So the stack name is Asana task. And in this particular stack, we have created just one table. So the table name is automatically captured. If you have created multiple tables, from the drop down, you can select your table name. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a new task over here. I'm just going to add the data. So I'm adding the task name as social media over here. Let's add the description as develop editorial calendar for content sharing, and here I'm just going to add the due date. So first I'm giving the year, then the month and then the date. So we have added the data. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and when we scroll down, here we can find the details that we have filled in our Stackby table. Here we can find the created date and time. Here we can find the task name, its task description as well as the due date. So now we want to create an Asana task using these details. So come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Asana task. In the action event, we have to select create a task. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Asana. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Asana is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the workspace, project, task name. So I'll just take you to my Asana account once. So this is my Asana homepage where I have created a workspace named IT, and in this particular workspace I have created two projects, that is IT request and Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to open this project, that is Pabbly Connect. So now I want all the new tasks to be created over here. So I'm just going to the list over here. So all these are the tasks which I have already created. Now I want that all the new tasks should be created over here in this particular project itself. So I'm just going to select the workspace, that is IT. Here you have to select your workspace. Here we have to select the project name. So as we are connected, we can find all the projects. So I'm just going to select this Pabbly Connect project over here. Here we have to give the task name, the notes. So we have already got the task details from our Stackby table over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Let's scroll down. Here we are just going to map the task name from Stackby. Okay, and the task name was social media. Here we have to map the notes, that is the description. So let us map the description over here. Now here we have to give due at. So let us read the instructions. Due at takes an ISO 8601 date string in UTC and should not be used together with due on. So either you fill due at or you fill due on. Okay. So I am just using due on because I want only the date to be mentioned, that is the due date. If you want to mention the due date along with the due time also, then you can use this particular option, that is due at. Okay. So let us select due on. I'm just going to map the date over here, that is the due date, that is 15 February 2022. Here we have to map the assignee name. So I have already created a assignee, that is RAN Glasgow. So you have to mention your assignee to whom you want to assign this particular task. If you want to mention the follower, you can map it over here. Here we have to specify the tags. So I have already created two tags, that is Pabbly and Pabbly Connect. So I want to use Pabbly Connect tag over here. I'm just selecting Pabbly Connect. Okay. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new task is created. So let us check our Asana account. Okay, and here we can see a new task, social media. Here we can find the assignee name, that is RAN Glasgow. Okay, and here we can find the tag as Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to open this particular task. And here when we scroll down, we can find the description also, that develop editorial calendar for content sharing. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to my Stackby table once again, and I'm just going to enter one more details over here. So I'm giving the task name as sales this time. I'm adding the description, create lead capture forms for the company website, and I'm just adding the due date as 18th of February 2022. Okay. So we have entered the details. Now let us check our Asana task. I'm just going to refresh it. Now here, even after refreshing, we can't find the details over here, the new task details, just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, now it's almost 5 minutes. I'm just going to refresh it once again. Okay, now here we can see a new task, that is the sales. Here we can find the assignee name as RAN, and here we can find the tag as Pabbly Connect. And let us open this particular task. And here when we scroll down, we can find the description, create lead capture forms for the company website. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Stackby and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the record that you have created in your Stackby table, and using the details of the record, automatically a new task is created in your Asana account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Stackby and Asana using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.